So we got this dug out here, and that's where we're gonna get 10 inches from bottom to top, soil and gravel separator, and then the water is gonna flow out through here. I'm gonna drill the holes 90 degrees apart, staggered. You can see the water table, it looks like. I'm not sure if that is. Now this is the sump output, and that is it's got to be repaired, as well as in the front. This got some damage. Anyway, that's just where the pipes are. So this one's gonna come out here. There's the heater there. So this is gonna come out this way, and that's the old pipe. I took out the old pipe. This I can get rid of. That's the junk pipe. Okay, so here we go. It's gonna go like this. Let me try to do this succinctly. Okay, so here is where we're gonna have the French drain coming in to the blind entrance. That's a 4-to-3 reducer, and it's a 45. So that pipe is gonna be drilled out just like the other one. So that'll be the French drain. That'll suck any water out through the soil so it's not too soggy. And the purpose of this drain is as a backstop in case everything else fails. I'm gonna put a grommet. These grommets, hang on, let me show you. All right, so these grommets let the whole pipe go in there. So the entire length, entire width rather, of the pipe is gonna go in there like this. So the entire thing, I'm gonna drill it out with a hole saw. So it's not gonna be any reducer like this, where it clogs it up and it can't get throughout. You know, look at this, how stupid this is. Look at this. I know it's probably hard to see, but you see, that's what you get. And it blocks it up. So I want maximum throughput, maximum bandwidth here. Okay, so I'm digging through the rocks, and yeah, that's gonna be another 45 over there. So that's just the layout. And the balance, the vertical, this is where my problem is. This is the bedrock. And I can tell you this is absolutely bedrock. Okay. You can see sparks. It doesn't matter what you hit it with. This is serious stuff here. Let me see here. Watch this. Check out this. There you go. See? It's pretty nasty. I gotta clean this out because check out the intake there. The little the air circulator filter is clogged. Okay. So this is just laying out how I'm gonna do this. I'm putting that over here so that I have more slope. I want this to be as low as possible, because if I put it here, it's gonna have to be higher up. And that's okay if that's higher up. I don't care if this is high up. As long as the water flows out, that's all I care about. Because the house flooding is number 1, and then the yard flooding is number 2, and then the grass growing is number 3. And the grass holds the soil together as well. It prevents the erosion and all that. Well, okay, and this is just the start. There's a lot of things here involved. It's just almost endless, it seems. So it's a much more difficult job than it appears, because of just the nature of the soil and the rocks and everything here. Yikes. I mean, look at this. I mean, come on. Here's the roll of the fabric that I'm going to use. These were the old channel drains that they had that were clogged up. This is the white marble that I want to use as the surface. And that's hopefully going to look pretty nice once it's all done. This is going to go back in here when I'm done, and everything is all sealed up. Okay, so there's some other sandpaper. There's the grommets that I'm going to use with the 5-inch hole saw and the 4.5-inch width outer diameter pipe. This little deburring tool here got a little dirty. Okay, I guess that's about it. Oh yeah, the laser level and the other thing. Now it's roughly, I'm gonna have to make sure that it's correct before I finish everything up. This is dry fit. I'm gonna make sure everything is correct before I finish. This is all just dry fitting right now. That's not sealed up. The only seal is over there. So that's that, and it's been many hours, probably weeks.